So we are going to repair the foredeck stairs. The big chunks out of the bottom there, well, the part that has the big chunk, that is damaged at the bottom that I'm cutting out, and then that is the top of the stairs. It was still hanging on but needed to be cut out. And on one side I had to cut deeper into the stair. This one I was able to cleanly cut straight across the top. The bottoms were custom. So, and then out of this source material here, I'm going to get my new parts and then got to fabricate them, clean them up. Getting the next set, the right and left set. So, and here I'm fitting them and getting the last couple of parts, making sure everything marked looks up. And if you look, you can kind of see where there's a chunk, more of a chunk. So I needed a little filler because I made my two top ears the same size and then just wanted to bring the filler up to the proper size. So here I'm putting a slight bevel on each piece so I can get the weld material into it. Getting ready to put the little filler piece in to bring that upper piece to the level. And once I get it welded down, I then put the ear on it, which is the same size as the other ear. That way I didn't have to worry about length or anything. And then I'm putting the bottom on, which that wasn't as critical because the stairs actually float. You drill a couple holes through the top and the bottom. So it was a little bit easier on the bottom, have a more leeway, whereas the top needed to be the same where you pinned it. And then there I am making a template to confirm that they match. Later.